Remember, you can find these at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video and expand the description box, you will find a direct product link to the style. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the Wig Studio One website. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. MISSONI is a part of the Luxe collection by Belle Tress. All of the styles in that collection feature completely hand-tied caps. Let's look at the inside of the cap for MISSONI. So you'll see that extended lace front that does extend back into the ear tab, moves seamlessly back into a full, very generous monofilament top. Then you have some stretchy hand-tied panels all the way around. Closed ear tab, extended nape, and the strap type adjusters. I was able to get a really nice fit on this one just by cinching in those adjusters as far as they can go. I can tell you it feels absolutely weightless. That's part of the beauty of the Luxe collection by Belle Tress. Yes, they're a little bit pricier, but what you get for that additional price is this hand-tied movement. There's absolutely no permatease. They can make it a really nice light density. No matter how you want to part it or no matter how the wind blows, you're getting the illusion of scalp all the way around. All of the styles in this collection also feature a heat-friendly fiber. That soft, silky, buttery type fiber by Belle Tress. So right away in the front, you're looking at about a 8 to 10 inches, okay? So it looks like there's a little bit of graduation here, but overall it's about 11 inches, okay? So you do see some layering around the face. Now this one is right out of the box. I simply gave it a shake, applied it, found my desired parting space, and just comes to life so easily. I don't have to wake up any permatease. Just a carefree, casual, extremely natural style. This ginger ale blonde, this is the first experience I've had with the ginger ale blonde. The color code is at 825-613. You're going to see a light to medium brown base shade, but then you're going to see some gold blonde, some light to medium gold blonde, and then it's going to be extra highlighted with some baby gold blonde, almost a warm platinum. Now this ginger ale blonde is not a rooted color, but it is rather warm. So those gold blondes are going to be prominent in this shade. Although it isn't over-the-top gold, you are going to see more warm notes in there than cooler notes. Just on that lace. So there it is, temple to temple. And depending on your own natural hairline, you can certainly extend that away from the face all the way down through the ear tab and get the illusion of scalp. It's a nice fine knotting process. Anywhere you want to part it on top, you will be able to get the illusion of scalp because of this low light density and hand-tied knots.